Hey guys, I took a taxi down to the night market, and it doesn't open till 7, and it's 6, and it just started pouring rain. I'm sitting at a beach bar. It's so cool down here, and hopefully it won't last long. Just started pouring. It's been thundering and lightning for the last, I don't know, maybe 30 minutes or more. But so far, it just started raining. So I guess I'll order a drink and see what happens. I was gonna ride these horses on the beach, but I don't think so now. Alright guys, hope you're having a good day.